This is our video for Newton's laws of motion.
And there's 3 of them.
Newton's first law of motion is...
An object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion until an outside force acts upon it.
And we're going to demonstrate that type of law of motion.
Yeah.
Newton's
First! Law of motion. Okay, basically, this ball
And this ball.
will stay at rest on top of my head until an outside force acts on it.
And this ball.
That's in motion.
Let me throw it.
Will stay in motion until Lee acts on it, which she just caught it over there.
Hey guys, an important word we want to talk about is net force.
And that's all the forces acting on an object at one
An
period in
example
time.
is air resistance, friction, and gravity.
So another thing you might need to know is balanced and unbalanced forces. And an unbalanced force is when you have 2 forces acting upon an object and they are not equal. Okay, so we've balanced forces, and that is...
When the net force equals 0.
Kennedy put more weight, Leah less weight. That's unbalanced. But if they put the same amount of weight, I stay balanced.
Second law is...
Net force equals mass times acceleration.
So let's say Leah weighs 10 kilograms and is traveling at 2 meters per second squared. Her
Net
net force would be 20 newtons.
Weight is the amount of gravitational force on an object.
So we are going to be demonstrating the different types of friction. The first friction we'll be showing you is rolling. The ball is breaking bonds between the surfaces, creating rolling friction and slowing the ball down. The next type of friction we'll be showing you is sliding friction.
So sliding friction would be an example of like when you break the car and the tires slide on the ground. And the last one is static friction, and that's when it doesn't move.
So we are going to be showing you Newton's third law of motion. Right now we are currently at Kennedy's rental house they're fixing up. But anyways, Newton's third law of motion is for every action there is an opposite but equal reaction. So let's say I push off the mailbox. The mailbox pushes off me and I push off the mailbox. That's the opposite but equal reaction.
Okay guys, one of the words is force.
Yeah, so we want to see the net force of this ball.
Oh my god!
Gravity acting on that ball.
Okay.
Randomly important words! Okay, let's see it.
And a bunch of other stuff.
What?
Did you hear my voice? Whoa!
Can you put this in your mouth?
Stop it!
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna be talking about net force. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Everyone, you gotta be like, net force! Okay, ready? Yeah, ready? Be like in the huddle. Guys, we're in the huddle with the camera.
So I'm gonna go push off that tree.
Somebody's in the window. Come over here, Paige, so we don't look as weird. So what is it?
I might not push off the tree anymore. I think she just took in the kids probably because of the strange people outside.
Oh my goodness.
If I'm not too scared.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go, yo.
It's the man himself.
Oh no, why is it going inside?
So do we. We're filming our science video.
What are you guys doing?
We're filming our science video.
What are you doing here?
No reason.
No, this is Kennedy's house.
Wow!
Can you see? What are they watching? Something with the doctor. It might be Grey's Anatomy. Yeah, Kennedy, you're such a... Kennedy, look at me. There's a person... Yeah, Miss Savoy's house, your first grade teacher. If you didn't know, Jordan Savoy lived there. And Brooklyn Savoy lived there. And if you also didn't know, the science fair board in the back of the room that says My Feet Stink was done by Jordan Savoy, who was grown right there. Leah, you aren't even showing the house. And I'm pretty sure Miss Savoy may be watching Real Housewives. Oh, the TV's off. Oh, no, L'Oreal Paris commercial. And then this Miss Gay's house. Miss who? I mean, Miss Goss. Oh, they turned their lights off. That might be because we drove by. Miss Goss, you're missing some shingling.